Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only way to enjoy a refreshing mint drink. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. Don't forget 1 cup of cold water and plenty of ice. These few items are all it takes to create a truly invigorating beverage perfect for any warm day. Now, let's get to the heart of the flavor. Take your fresh mint leaves and place them into a sturdy glass or a cocktail shaker. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of simple syrup right over the mint. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the mint and syrup together for about 30 seconds. This crucial step releases all those wonderful essential oils and aromatic compounds, ensuring your drink is bursting with fresh minty goodness. Next, we'll bring all the flavors together. Add the 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice to your muddled mint and syrup. Then, pour in 1 cup of cold water. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are perfectly combined. This is your chance to taste the mixture and adjust it to your preference. You might want a little more sweetness or a touch more tartness. It's all about your perfect balance. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your masterpiece. Fill your favorite serving glass generously with ice cubes. Carefully strain the prepared mint drink into the ice-filled glass, ensuring no mint bits escape if you prefer a smoother texture. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a fresh sprig of mint and a vibrant lime wedge. Serve this invigorating drink immediately and savor every refreshing sip on a warm day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.